Madrid is a beautiful city with tons to see and explore. But what happens when you only have 24 hours in the city? These are my 24 hours in Madrid. Short, but not without delight. So guys, here's your boy Ivan here in Madrid. We just got our bikes. Best way to see the city when you're in a rush. So I'm out here at this place. It's called Bravo Bike, and the website is bravobike.com. All right. So this is Madrid for you guys. In the middle of the day. This is again gonna be a quick turnaround here in Madrid. But I'm excited to take a look at this place. All right. So it's a beautiful city. It's really, really beautiful. You know? Nobody has everything. What Europe has is really nice, comfortable, middle-class living. It's really nice to see. It's really nice to see. The difference between the classes is not as stark as you see in the US, where you have people who have everything and people who have nothing. They keep things pretty simple here. What a beautiful city it is.
Yeah, this place is very, very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Look at this. So we're gonna stop at the palace. What's the name of the palace?
The Royal Palace of Madrid.
The Royal Palace of Madrid. That's where we're gonna start. We already been, my niece said we already started, but that's where we're gonna start. The only drawback to this is the heat. My gosh, it's really hot. It is really hot. Biking with one hand. It's not the smartest thing I've ever done, but it is what it is. And these are the tuk-tuks. That's what they look like here in Madrid. Look at this palace. Wow. Look how beautiful it is. Man, so nice. Guys, this is Madrid. People practicing their little TikTok dances right here. And I guess we're gonna stay in some kind of shade. It's way too hot. Whew, we found some shade.
And with a very nice angle for the Royal Palace over there.
Wow,
All right.
very nice.
We're situated here by the old palace, the Royal Palace of the King of Spain. And look at this beautiful cathedral. So this is a beautiful area. The palace has about 3,000 rooms, and it's actually bigger than the Buckingham Palace. So biking back out from here, I'm going to be showing you guys the palace one more time. It's amazing. Such a beautiful place here. The Royal Palace of Madrid is one of the largest palaces in the world. It is the official residence of the Spanish royal family. The palace is open to the public and the admission fee is $13. Beautiful alley with these statues. Every time there's some shade, I'm just get excited because, man, the heat out here. This humidity is insane right now. Completely insane. I was thinking about walking this. I'm glad I didn't do that because I just can't handle this heat too much. When you bike around a little bit, you find yourself on top of this beautiful castle, the Royal Palace. So now we're biking on the street to the next site. It goes pretty fast, which is good because at least you get hit by some wind. Let's go, yeah.
Sign up, I'm not going to teach you how to ride a bike.
That's right.
His job is not to make sure we're safe.
That's right. He's going pretty fast. So guys, that's a piece of downtown right here, as you can see. Man, this thing. It's a beautiful city. It's just I wish it wasn't this hot. So one advice I would give you guys is, if you're doing this, try to book the tour in the morning, because dude, this heat is just too much. This is one of the most narrow street here in Madrid. But it's on the shade, so I like it. When visiting Madrid, you will notice that they have public drinking fountains all over the city. They are beautiful and free of charge. They have also been carefully designed and soaked in history, and you can probably walk past dozens of them without thinking much about it. They are hidden in plain sight and beautifully designed. Some will remind you of monuments, fire hydrants, or even the electricity box. The most popular square here in downtown Madrid, and here you have everything you need. It reminds me of downtown Mexico City, but a little bit smaller. The Plaza Mayor is located in the heart of Madrid, a few steps away from Puerta del Sol and the Royal Palace. There are three main points of interest in the square. First, you have the statue of Philip III. Then you have a bakery by the name of Casa de la Panadería, which is the most important bakery in Madrid. And then you have the Arch of Cuchilleros. Guys, I'm biking away from Plaza Mayor, which is the main square here. We're living with one hand. I tell you what, things content creators do for content, it's crazy. Take refuge in the shade because it's just way too hot. I'm missing all the information, but I'm about to pass out. It's too much. Oh yeah. We got some sangria, and now we're gonna bike back all the way. So you see, man, I'm finally hydrated. People chilling here. So nice. Let me find out the name of this lake. What is the name of this lake?
Yeah, no, it's an artificial lake. It's located in the heart of the part of the good retirement.
Is there a name for it or no?
No, it's just an artificial swimming pool.
What park are we in?
Huh?
What's the name of the park?
The part of the good retirement.
Good retirement.
Yes, Parque del Buen Retiro in Spanish.
All right. So now you know where I am. The Park of Good Retirement.
Let's go.
And this is where we had some drinks right there. So many people, so I'm gonna be dodgy. Oh, Chucky! Hey! This is Parque del Buen Retiro, which is in English literally the Park of Good Retirement. It is the largest park in the city of Madrid, and it belonged to the Spanish monarchy until the late 19th century, when it finally became a public park. Now that I had some sangria, guys, I feel so much better. I was so dehydrated. Mario! We are in this section. I have to find the name for you guys of this place. It actually inspired the freaking Arc of Triomphe. So this will give you a Parisian vibe. It looks like you are by the Champs-Élysées in Paris. Very similar. Very similar. Look at this. Whoa. So nice. Right downtown. Hey, I have to say, I like Madrid more than Barcelona. For those of you who have been to both, put some comments, let me know. Which one do you prefer? And why? I'm curious. I like Madrid because it feels more like Spain, like it's more authentic. And they have bulls fighting here too. I'm not gonna go to bulls fighting, my timing doesn't work for it. We had some sangria and we're riding. It feels like I'm in the Champs-Élysées. Very similar architecture, guys. And this guy here is from DC. Just met earlier. There we go.
It's like 14th Street.
14th Street. That's right. Oh man, all right. I always tell myself I'm never gonna ride in the middle of the road, but here I am doing exactly that. And the sangria was strong too, full of sugar. We're riding on the street. This is so dangerous. A bus almost took me out. We're taking Madrid by storm. Let's go. So dangerous.
Is that a police car gonna try to pass out
This is my crazy bike ride in Madrid. I think there's an ambulance or a police car behind me. This is crazy dangerous.
No, if you stay with me, it's not dangerous at all.
Man.
And the good drivers also, they are very, very polite. But right now we are in the right place.
Whoa. This thing is crazy, guys. But it feels good to be on the shade right now for sure. My roughest bike ride ever.
We're alive.
We're alive, that's the key, right? It feels like maybe we should have had the sangria earlier. It changed everybody's mood. We were all serious. I'm sorry guys if the video is shaking a little bit. I'm holding this thing. Going down the hill with one hand. It's very dangerous. What was that?
Hear my whistle?
Yeah.
Everyone stop. That's a sound of my whistle.
What a crazy thing.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Did you see that's a soccer mom whistle?
That's right. A soccer mom whistle?
Venga.
You should say that's a soccer mom whistle. We are done with the tour, guys. It was tough. Definitely a workout, but the best way to see the city. If you come to Madrid and you don't have enough time, Madrid is a walkable city, but it's not like Paris where things are somewhat closer to the main sites. Here is pretty far. So I strongly suggest you get a bike, preferably a tour like I did. And I'm gonna put the information below for this one. It's an Airbnb experience. And we got some sangria and some water, which we really needed. Strongly recommend it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the raw footage of my bike ride. If it's your first time on my channel, please don't forget to press the like button. Please subscribe. And you know, drop some comments below. Sorry guys, I don't have enough time to give you more content from here. I did what I could in 24 hours in this heat. So thank you for your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.
Yo te quiero pero déjame. No me amas, eso se te ve. Y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelve.